Good afternoon. Today we are going to talk about borders and shading using MS Word. Borders and shadings are simply used to enhance a document in an MS Word. So these are the steps that you do when you want to apply borders and shading in an MS Word. Step: before you see a border, use the border button. You go to the paragraph or a table design tab, and this is the steps. 1. You select text or cells that you are working on. Then you click step 2. You click borders to choose a style. Example, the all borders and outside borders. When you want to remove the border, then you select no border to it. To remove the border from it. And applying shading tool, you use the shading button in the same paragraph or table design tab. These are the steps in applying shading. You select text or the cell that you are working on. Then you click shading tool. Then you pick a color. Adjust for contrast. Which example, the light gray or the subtle highlights. Okay, so this is the slice for it. Let's go to the practical aspect of it. Let's simply generate a text here. So equal to this is the text that we are coming to work on. So I will simply highlight the text that I want to add border to it. Then you go here, which is the border button here. So we have the top border, left border, and right border. But here I want to apply all borders. So this is the all borders. And if I don't want to add any border, then I select no border so that the border will go. Okay. Let's go to the shading aspect. If I want to add shading, so I will also select the text that I want to add the shade to it. Then this is the shading, the color. When you click here, this is the color that if I want to select blue, then I select blue. Yeah. So this is how to select. This is how to apply borders and shading using an MS Word. Thank you.